Hi there, this is a super effective daily workout for blending your registers. So mixed voice, mixed register, blended voice, blended register, it's all interchangeable. So thank you to everyone who has already subscribed. Remember to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already and hit the notification bell so that you get more of my videos every time they come up. So this is particularly for alto, so contralto, alto, again interchangeable, mezzo soprano and soprano voices. So that's mid to high range voices. We're going to start, let's start here. We're going to start with the warm up, of course, and we're going to start with zzz. So we're going to sing zzz. Here we go. Keep going. And back down. Last one. Okay, so we actually started quite low for a mixed voice. So the mixed voice, the mixed register is where your chest and your head register blend, okay? Now, what we're aiming for is to avoid going into head voice. So when you're doing these exercises, really avoid that flip of the transition into head voice, okay, as much as you may want to. Now, for the mezzos and the sopranos, and the altos as well, when you get to the point where you are flipping into head voice, mainly for the altos actually, then stop and wait until it comes back into your comfortable area, unless you already know how to belt or how to use your head voice or twang, okay? But this really is for mixed voice. We're going to start a little bit higher now for your mixed voice. And we're going to do, of course, a lip bubble. Lipstick. So we're going to carry on from a little bit higher up, and we're going to carry on from a little bit higher up, and this time we're going to sing the lip bubble. And so avoiding the head voice as much as possible. Last one. And straight into the tongue trill. Keep going. And back down. Last one. Okay, now the trick with these exercises is to keep it light. So as we start in the lower part of your range, the temptation is to sing really heavy, like whoa, but you really don't need to. Keep it light. So the sound is whoa, and we're going for a kind of cry-y sound. Whoa. Here we go, keep it light. Whoa. Avoiding the head voice, that's the trick here. Keep the volume the same, don't push at the top. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm right in my mix there. Whoa. Keep going. Avoid head voice. One more. And coming down. And the next sound is nay, nay, nay. You want it a little bit buzzy, nay. And we're going to sing nay, 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 nay. Here we go. Nay, 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 nay. So say it more than you sing it. Nay, 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 nay. Nay, 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 nay. Nay, 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 nay. Back down. Almost there. Okay, you should really be feeling that you're getting to that mid-range and blending those registers so you're getting that mixed voice nice and strong. Okay, the next exercise is going to be a yeah. And we're going to say rather than sing, yeah, 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 yeah. Okay, here we go. 5, 6, 7, and yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Keep going. Keep it light, avoid head voice. Last one. Last one. So if you were to do this every day, in a couple of weeks, you're going to find you have a nice, strong, blended register, mixed voice, interchangeable, as I said. Remember to like and share this with someone who you think it will help. Let me know what you've liked most about this video, what helped you the most, where are you struggling? I maybe can help you out, okay? I'll see you very, very soon. Stay hydrated. Ciao!